In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a document in DocuSign. Sometimes when you upload a document into DocuSign, one or more of the pages might appear sideways or upside down. Before you send it out for signatures, it's really important to fix the orientation so that everyone can read and sign the document comfortably. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the rotation controls and how to use them, so you can quickly tidy up any pages that are not aligned properly. First, make sure you're already in DocuSign and working inside the envelope that contains the document you need to fix. An envelope is simply DocuSign's term for the package of documents you're sending out for signature. You should be on the Prepare or Add Field screen where you normally place signature and initial boxes. If you're not there yet, open the envelope you're working on and move to the stage where you can see the document pages and the tools for adding fields. On this screen, look to the right-hand side of your window. You'll see a column that shows a small preview of your document pages. This preview area lets you quickly see each page in miniature so you can spot any that are rotated incorrectly. Take a moment to scan through these thumbnails and identify any page that looks sideways or upside down. Now, in that same right-hand column, locate the specific page you want to rotate. Just underneath the small image of that page, you'll see an icon with 3 dots. This is often called the More Options or Overflow menu. Hover your mouse over the page if you need to, then click those 3 dots to open the menu. When the menu appears, look for the option labeled Rotate. Clicking Rotate will turn that page, usually in 90-degree increments. Click it once and the page will rotate. If it's still not the right way up, click Rotate again. Keep clicking until the page appears in the correct orientation in the preview. Take your time here and make sure text, signatures, and any important details will be right side up for your recipients. After rotating, check the preview again to confirm you're satisfied with how the page looks. If you have multiple pages that need adjustment, repeat the same process for each one. Open the envelope, find the page in the right-hand preview, click the 3 dots and use Rotate until everything is correctly aligned. Once all your pages look good, you can continue preparing the envelope, add any remaining fields, and then send it out, knowing your recipients will see a clean, properly oriented document.